Campark action camera. It's a 4K camera. As you can see, this one has a little screen on the front. It's got a couple little features that my last one did not have. Inside you have the carrying case. It's nice that it came in a box. The other ones don't. It's not a big deal, but it adds a nice touch. Okay, so regular carrying case. Nice and strong. And it's got the usual assortment of adapters. It works with all the other adapters. My last camera, I still have them all, so I'm able to mix and match. They're pretty much all the same, standard ones. But as you can see, there's plastic over each screen, even on the waterproof casing. It's very nice and tight. The plastic. Another plastic. Very nice and clean. Same size as the others. Like I said, everything is going to be the same. And what I like is they delivered this one without the battery inside. The other one was extremely difficult to open the door. I remember I had to use scissors and sort of break the plastic. This one opened up very easily, and there's 2 batteries in the case. It's an SD card, a little one, which is not included. Comes with a remote. I do see some adapters that I didn't get with the last one. It's always nice and fun. And 2 batteries. Now, this one I'm just opening, but I actually bought 2. One of them is for keeping here, the other one is for keeping at our cabin, and I was able to use the other one, and it worked pretty good. We went swimming, indoor swimming, because it's getting kind of cold here in Canada, but it worked great underwater. I didn't have too much use for it in an indoor pool. I just wanted to test it out, and I thought it looked really good. Overall, I'm really happy. We bought 2 of them, and we couldn't be more satisfied. And we expect it to last for quite a while. So, in the description, I'm going to put a link so you can see all the features. And if you want to order it, you could order it from there. It'll be the link for it on Amazon. And overall, we are extremely satisfied, and if anyone's looking for something like this, we definitely recommend it. It's waterproof to 98 feet, which is significantly more than our older one, and it has a touchscreen. Now, the touchscreen part is nice to have, and I will try to use it, but more often than not, I'm going to use it within this case, so I won't be using the touchscreen feature. And then if you set it up to film yourself, you can see the time on here, so you know how long your video is going. And that's it. I would definitely invite anybody interested to give it a try, and have a good day. Alright.
That I'm at an all-time